Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to walk step by step through the scientific calculator, exploring all the essential keys, what they do, and how to use them in real examples. I'll demonstrate by pressing the keys one at a time, and we'll look at the results together. Whether you're brand new to scientific calculators or just brushing up, this guide will make you confident using every important function. Let's begin. Basic number and operation keys. Here are the basics: the digits 0 through 9, the decimal point, the four operations, plus, minus, multiply, and divide, the equals key, parentheses, and the percent key. Let's try a couple of examples. Example 1, 25 plus 7. Press 2, 5, plus 7 equals. The calculator shows 32. Example 2, 12 plus 8, divided by 5. Press, open parenthesis, 1, 2, plus 8, close parenthesis, divide, 5, equals. The calculator shows 4. Shift key. The yellow shift key lets us access the secondary functions written above the keys. Example 1, cube root of 125. Press, shift, cube root, 1, 2, 5, equals. The display shows 5. Example 2, sine inverse of 0.5. Press, shift, sin, 0.5, equals. The display shows 30 degrees. Alpha key. The alpha key lets us use a third function, usually letters or variables. Example 1, store 12 into variable a. Press 1, 2, shift, sto, a. Now a holds the value 12. Recall variable a. Press alpha, a. The display shows 12. Quick tip: normal press equals main white function. Shift plus key equals yellow function above. Alpha plus key equals green function above. Trigonometric keys. Now let's try sine, cosine, tangent, and their inverses. Example 1, sine of 30 degrees. Press sine 30 equals. The display shows 0.5. Example 2, find the angle if cos equals 0.5. Press cos inverse, 0.5, equals. The display shows 60, so the angle is 60 degrees. Exponential and power keys. Example 1, 12 squared. Press 1, 2, equals. The display shows 144. Example 2. Press 2.5 multiplied by 1, 0, exp, 6, equals. The display will show 25 million. Logarithmic keys. Example 1, log base 10 of 1000. Press log 1, 0, 0, 0, equals. The display shows 3. Example 2, ln of e. Press ln e equals. The display shows 1. Memory keys. Example 1, store 25 in memory. Press 2, 5, m plus. Now press mr. The display shows 25. Example 2, add 10 more. Press 1, 0, m plus. Now press mr again. The display shows 35. Other common keys. Pi example, circumference of a circle, radius 7. Press 2, multiply, pi, multiply, 7, equals. The display shows 43.982. AC, all clear. Press AC. Everything is cleared. Mode example. Switch to number base mode. Press Mode, Mode again, then 3. Now base mode is active. Clear memory and mode. Press Shift, CLR press 3, equals. Now everything is reset. Delete example. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press del. The 4 is deleted, leaving 1, 2, 3. Combination example. 5 choose 3. Press 5, Shift, NCR, 3, equals. The display shows 10. And that brings us to the end of this detailed guide to the scientific calculator. We've covered the basics, numbers, operations, and parentheses, then moved into shift and alpha functions, trigonometric, exponential, and logarithmic keys, memory functions, and the other important features like pi, clear, delete, and probability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to practice each example yourself so you become faster and more confident. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons like this, and share this video with a friend who's learning too. Thanks for watching.